Hello everyone! Julia is here. Today you will learn how to make an animated sugar skull postcard for Halloween, guys. So, what you will need for making a Halloween postcard today, guys? You will need paper, scissors, glue stick, pencil, black marker and good mood. I wish you a happy drawing, guys. So let's start and have some fun! Okay guys, let's start making our Halloween postcard with sugar skull and moving eyes. So let's just fold a piece of paper. I will just fold it to make a postcard. So I will just fold together and it will be my postcard. So, and here we will place our skull. So, and you can write your Halloween wish here. And first of all, let's take another piece of paper and we will just also fold it the same way. I'm folding it, and in this part of our paper we will draw a sugar skull. So let's start drawing our sugar skull with a semicircle, and it's like a little bit squished like a pumpkin actually. So I will start drawing from here and going up and then down. And I fold the paper in order just to be sure that it will fit my postcard. And you can make it smaller or you can make it bigger as you wish. So, and then we will just go this way, and on the same level I will just make like this. And now I will be drawing another part of our skull just down, and it will be a little bit narrow, so I will just draw in this part here. And now we all have to do is just to draw 2 circles here. Just make big circles here, or just even like they are more like ovals. And if they are not perfect, it's absolutely fine. It will make it even look cuter. And now I will draw its nose like a heart shape and a smile. And here's the smile. So, and now we have all to do is just to draw decorations. So guys, let's decorate our skull. Just you can draw any decorations. So I will just go inside the heart first and just make it, and you can draw flowers or maybe stars, whatever you wish, guys. So it's just up to your fantasy, and you can draw anything to decorate. And I will be drawing these curved lines here all around its eyes. So, and you can create your own patterns, and I would be happy to see your beautiful skulls, guys. So, and I will decorate in the same way this side. So I'm just drawing semicircles this all around, and I will also draw maybe a star here, so in an easy way. And you can draw circles and lines and waves, whatever you wish, guys. So maybe one more line here, and I will make this funny. So it's actually just up to your imagination, guys. No limits here. And circles, and you can draw in even more circles, and here as well. So, and maybe some curved lines here and here. So It's just up to you how you will decide to decorate your skull. And now all we have to do is just to cut our skull. So I will take scissors and cut it out. So first I will cut this piece, and we will need this piece now, so don't put it far away. So just cutting out our skull, and we also have to make holes for its eyes in order to animate it, to make just a sugar skull postcard, but an animated skull. And isn't it cute, guys? We can animate our skulls easily. So we just follow black line and cut it out. And if you wish, you can use different colors and color this sugar skull with blue, red and yellow, and any colors you like. And now I will just fold a little bit here and make just a few cuts, 1 and 2 inside. It's in order to put my scissors, and if you have small scissors, then for you it will be even easier to cut out this white space inside its eyes. We are just preparing our skull's eyes for animation, and we will make moving eyes like this. And now I'm just a little bit folding and carefully cut here, and then put in the whole scissors and go round. Just try to follow, no rush here, take your time and just follow black line, cutting it out. So our skull is almost ready, and now we need to make a stripe. So we have this one piece of paper left, and I will just cut a stripe, not too wide, just maybe this side, so like this, but it must cover its eyes. So just check that everything is covered with white paper and make it a little bit wider, but not too wide, I would say. So like this, and then I'm just going straight and making this stripe. And now just cut this part as well. And now we are ready to make our postcards. So guys, we will you can write your own message here or decorate, and here will be our surprise. So you put your skull in the middle, and here you can write your spooky message if you wish. And now we have this stripe, so we put it behind the skull and actually keep it narrow, as close as possible, just to cover it, and then you can just cut it with scissors. And this part is left, we will just fold it a little bit. You can fold just a little bit in order we can stick it with the glue. And now I will so you see this folding line here, and I will just glue it a little bit from it. So I will make a step from a folding line. But first of all, before using my glue, I will just draw inside, keep it and just draw inside its eyes. So I will draw and you can draw them in the middle or just move them a little bit here. So I will just draw 2 circles. I will move them close in the center. So I will just draw a circle and a circle for a spotlight, and again here I'm drawing a circle and for the spotlight. And now I'm just color this with my Sharpie, and here the same. Okay, and now let's glue our piece. Just stick our piece of paper with the glue. So we will just stick this part here, making a step from the folding line like this. Now I have to check if it's moving. Yeah, I will just check. Yeah, so, and now I will stick my skull, moving its eyes a little bit like here, I would say, so you can see how they are moving. So I will just move them to the left and stick its upper part just a little bit and its bottom part with the glue. So it's a cute skull here, and let's check how it's working. So I'm just closing it. Look guys, how scary is our sugar skull, and its eyes are moving. Look! And isn't it fantastic? This is just the cutest skull I have ever seen. Well done, guys! This is an amazing postcard we have created today for Halloween, guys. Well done! Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoy making the animated skull postcard with me today. And I really love creating with you, my art friends. And if you enjoy my lessons, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to share your beautiful Halloween postcards with me on my Facebook page, the link to which is below this video. Stay safe, see you soon, bye bye!